What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with a real quick unboxing. Sorry if you guys hear my baby in the back. Gotta get it where I can, but I got some new knives that I want to show you guys. Start off with this one right here. This one is from Concept Knives. They actually got a new Instagram, so make sure you guys follow them. I'll put it in the description. Comes with a typical package. In here, I have the Model 6, designed by Nick Swan. It is a Damascus black and white nebula carbon fiber. So let's check this out. Ooh, take a look at that right there. I actually like that milled clip. All right. So you got your hole there for Spidey flicking, and then you got a flipper tab. So, ooh, look at that Damascus blade, yo. Oh my God. This right here is a liner lock. Let's look at the Spidey flick action. That is very nice as well. Left-handed, guys. They do have a right-handed version of this, and I think there's another version that isn't Damascus, which is 20 CV. You guys gotta go and check that out. But there we go, Concept Knives. Thank you so much for that. By the way, if you use MM15, you get 15% off any of their lefty knives over at Concept Knives. Hop on it. Moving on to the 20.5. No, this is not. This is the wrong case. No, this is a Shark Cub. And this is, I've had Shark Cubs before from Demko Knives. Demko Knives sent this over to me. And this right here is the Shark Cub Shark's Foot. Take a look at that. 20 CV ambidextrous clip. So you know I'm moving that over on this side. And it feels really great in hand. I have the AD 20.5 in titanium, milled titanium. And the action on this is phenomenal. I like that. 20 CV, really great steel. This is the Shark Cub, Shark Foot. That's my other big right there. And then we got a fixie. This is a big one though. So this is the Armiger 4 ADCRV 2 OD Green Tonto. Okay, so open this up. This is that bad boy right there. Nice. This is one I would love to put on my battle belt. So I have one of these already in black and a different blade shape to it. Ooh, Tonto, baby. Very nice. Here, let's do a couple cut tests. Got a little post-it note here. Let's see how it cuts. Ooh, okay. Slicer. Slicer. Let's try the Shark Cub. Slicer. Okay, let's try the Model 6 Damascus. Slicer. Yeah, that's a user right there, but oh wait, maybe is it? Slicer. Okay, but I also got another thing. I got some new everyday carry shoes. I know I don't talk about it much. I'm gonna have a video come out soon about apparel, but I think apparel and footwear for everyday carry is also important. And I feel like this is one that I'm going to be using quite a bit. These are the Kane Revive shoes. They look like Crocs, sure, but they actually are for recovery. So if you're going to be doing any type of workouts, long runs, hikes, walks, marathons, this is a perfect shoe right here. So this is the Mocha Revives. Oh, I didn't even notice there's a carabiner right there. So this isn't a pull tab. This is actually for you to hang these shoes, but I got that right here. All thanks to my boy, Chris, EDCologist. I think he's King Kanan now. He introduced me to these shoes, and I can't wait to try these on as my everyday carry, because I am a Croc guy, not gonna lie. Just gonna need something to put on real quick, get out of the house. These are now they look like Crocs a little bit, but now there's more cushion to it, and it's gonna be very comfortable. But tell me what you guys think about everything I unboxed today. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.